Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to dive into something that's been getting a lot of attention lately in the online business and trading space. The 4 Candles Formula by Sean Donahoe. If you've ever been curious about stock trading but felt overwhelmed by all the complicated charts, jargon, or risky strategies, this might be something worth looking into. So grab a coffee or whatever keeps you going, and let's unpack what this masterclass is all about. Now, I know trading often gets painted as something only experts or financial wizards can pull off. But what Sean Donahoe is doing here is flipping that narrative completely. He's basically saying that anyone, regardless of background, can learn this method and start generating consistent income, even if you've never touched a trading platform before. And yeah, I get it, that sounds like a huge promise. But the way this masterclass is laid out makes it at least worth a deeper look. The 4 Candles Formula is built around one central idea: simplicity. Sean has stripped away all the noise and focused on a trading method that's both easy to understand and fast to implement. It doesn't involve products, marketing, sales funnels, or anything like that. It's a skill-based business model, meaning once you learn the core strategy, that's really all you need. And according to the claims, it has a success rate of over 75%, with profits often showing up the same day. That's definitely bold, but it's also pretty intriguing. So what exactly do you get in the masterclass? It's structured as a 5-day live training event. The core of the training happens over 3 days, and then there are 2 bonus days packed with extras. Every day comes with actionable steps, coaching, and resources to help you get the most out of the experience. You also get access to a private Facebook group, session transcripts, summary guides, and even a seat for a spouse or partner, which is a cool touch if you're trying to build something together. On the first day, Sean focuses on laying a solid foundation. He breaks down what he calls the 330 blueprint, a method designed to deliver results with just a small daily time investment. You'll also learn what tools you need to get started, how to build a consistent income stream, and the single most important skill that can put you in control of your financial future. The second day shifts into what he calls the 30-minute income system. This is where the actual trading strategy gets broken down. It includes how to time your trades for the best results, how to take advantage of small market movements, and how to practice risk-free using virtual funds. It's a smart approach because you get to learn and build confidence without putting your money on the line right away. He also walks you through how to manage profits and losses, which is key to staying in the game long term. Then, on day 3, things ramp up a bit. Sean teaches ways to boost your income using short bursts of focused trading. We're talking about methods that can multiply your results significantly in just a few hours. He introduces what he calls the dual-click earnings method, where a couple of simple actions each day can secure your profits, regardless of whether the market's going up or down. Plus, you'll learn how to automate your withdrawals so your profits actually hit your account consistently. There's also a bonus day where you get access to something called the Hive, which seems to be a kind of advanced inner circle or community that supports your progress after the training ends. And on the final bonus day, there's a live Q&A session where you can ask Sean anything directly. He even shares more advanced strategies and helps tailor your plan for moving forward based on your own goals. Now, before jumping in, it's important to remember that while all of this sounds exciting, trading is never risk-free. Even a strategy with a high success rate still requires discipline, patience, and a solid understanding of what you're doing. But the 4 Candles Formula does seem like it's making the world of stock trading far more accessible than most other programs out there. And if the idea of building a skill that can create real daily income appeals to you, then it might just be worth checking out. As always, I recommend doing your own research and making sure the timing and commitment level are right for you. Let me know in the comments if you've tried it or if you're thinking about joining the masterclass. I'd love to hear what you think. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. See you in the next one.